Hello, Facebook. Happy Monday. It is Monday, September 20th. And let's see, we had an awesome, busy weekend here at Aroma Thyme. And we are getting ready for a busy night. We have our beer dinner tonight. We are pretty much sold out for the beer dinner tonight. We have, if somebody wanted to come, maybe we'd have 2 spots available. We are doing a smoked pork loin tonight and 4 awesome beers. Marcus just picked them out. One is from Great Life, Cody, who used to work for us, the brewer at Great Life. One of them is his beers. Let's see. Sorry, I keep saying because I'm all over the place today. Anyway, happy Monday. Hello, Ralph. Hello. Thank you for watching me. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. The more people that comment, the more people that the video will get out to. So my eye is bothering me. Wow. Let's see. Wow, Ralph is watching 3 times, it says. That's funny. Good afternoon. Hi, Ralph. Let's see. Important stuff for the week. We are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We have our $9.99 special this week, which is barbecue chicken with coleslaw and potato salad to go. We have a regular menu available as well. We're taking limited. If you want a to-go order. Our burger special this week last week was really popular. $9.99 burgers to go. This week it is barbecue chicken with potato salad and coleslaw. Thanks for watching. Hello, Debbie. I appreciate it. Wow, lots of people on. Hello, Sean. It's been a while. I haven't seen you. Hope all is well with you. And let's see. So we're closed Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursday. Weather pending. Might be rain on Thursday, so there might not be jazz. I'm not 100% sure what will happen there. So give us a call on Thursday to find out, or we will post it in our email. In our email that went out today, we talked about our Finger Lakes trip. If anybody is interested in traveling to the Finger Lakes with Marcus and I, we are doing a trip in November to some of our favorite wineries. As you know, we are really big into traveling to wineries that we've been to, ones that we support, ones that we love. And we are doing a trip November 5th through the 7th up in the Finger Lakes. So if you want to travel with us, give us a call, 845-647-3000, and we will give you details, information. And it is on VIPwineryvacations.com. You can see the tentative itinerary. Obviously, that is, it can change. But if you want to travel to the Finger Lakes with us, please give us a call. We only have a few seats left. We're only taking 14 people with us. We get a bus, and we'd love for you to travel with us. So our car, your driver is doing awesome as well. Let us be your DD driver. If you are looking to go to an event, if you're looking to go to wineries, distilleries, breweries, we can help you out. We can get a driver who will drive your car, take you around. It is $42 an hour, and you will get there safely and you will get home safely, and let us be your DD driver. So let's see. Hello, James. Hello, Sabrina. I see lots of people. Hello, Debbie. Lots of people are joining now. If you are watching me live, put hashtag live in the comments. If there's a drink that you really love, put that in the comments as well. I'd love to hear from you. We're always looking for more and more drinks. Today, actually, Courtney found this drink for me called Cascade Hollow Punch. She wrote it down for me, and I'm going to go ahead and make it. So the main liquor in it is the rye and I'm going to use Mackenzie rye. I really love Mackenzie. They are up in the Finger Lakes. They are on Seneca Lake. They are on the east side of Seneca Lake, and they are so lovely. And they come, when we are up in the Finger Lakes on our wine trip, they come to our hotel room and do cocktails for us on Friday night during our opening party. So I love supporting them. I love what they're doing up there. And Marcus and I try to go for a quick visit every time we are in the Finger Lakes. So, all right, so 2 ounces of Mackenzie rye. And I already have ice in my shaker. I'm gonna put a splash of agave. Ooh, it's leaking a little bit. And you need ginger liqueur. This one comes from Green Bar out of Los Angeles. Marcus and I have been to this distillery as well. I'm gonna put about 3/4 of an ounce. And I'm gonna put some lemon juice, so about a half an ounce, and it calls for some mint. So I'm going to add some mint. I guess I should probably muddle the mint. What do we think? Should we muddle it? I guess I should muddle it in the glass. I should have put the agave in with it. That's okay. I will muddle it and just release some of the mint, the oils in the mint in the glass. Ooh, it smells good. And the mint came right from our garden, everybody. The mint came right from our garden. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna shake this up. And I'm going to add ice to my glass. Those of you that have been watching me for a long time know that I like all of my drinks on the rocks. And I am going to pour away into my glass here. I'm going to just pour it on the end of the muddler just to get some of the mint off. Ooh, that looks yummy. All right. I'm going to mix it on up. I'm going to stir it a little bit just to get the mint all in the drink so it tastes really yummy. I love mint. Mint is it's delicious, and I'm going to top it off with some mint from my garden. And there you have it, Cascade Hollow Punch. Courtney said if I don't like the drink, not to blame her, she found it online. So let's see how good it is. Oh, that ginger and rye mix well together. Gotta be some mint there. Hello, Susan. Hello, Marvine. Thank you, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. We are open tonight. We have our beer dinner this evening, and we will be closed Tuesday, Wednesday. Hopefully we'll get to see some of you soon. Again, if you're interested in going to the Finger Lakes with us, 845-647-3000. Give us a call. We'll give you the details. We'd love for you to travel with us. It is the first weekend in November from Friday night when you arrive in Watkins Glen until Sunday. And we'd love to give you the details, and we'd love to have you travel with us. And Marcus and I are looking forward to getting back on the road and traveling again. If you've traveled anywhere, drop a comment as to where you have been this summer. I'd love to hear from you. I apologize, Marcus has not been on Facebook in the last couple of days. We've been super, super busy and really short-staffed in the kitchen. Hopefully he will get back on tomorrow. I am really hoping that I can push him to get on tomorrow morning. We have a bunch of stuff to do tomorrow. Tomorrow is my dad's birthday, so happy birthday to Gary. My father, it's his birthday, and we're gonna go to a winery in the afternoon, and then we're gonna go out for dinner, the family and some friends. And if you wish him a happy birthday, that would be awesome. And I think that's it. I hope everybody has an awesome night. Cheers. I don't think I'll be on tomorrow. Maybe I'll get on while I'm at Fjord. We're gonna go to Fjord Winery. And that's it. So thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. Cheers, and we'll catch you all soon.